I'm sorry. I just can't stop thinking about it. You know, I mean, was it sudden? Did they all die instantly? Jewelry, clothes. I got a car once. I gave it back. I look forward to your cookies the most.
Hey, I know.
You can't though. Your regular suite is ready. Just make your next store as usual.
Sam, I actually need a different suite. One with an extra bathroom and some more closet space.
Add that additional suite onto that. And that's no problem. You never know when someone might stop by. It's for me.
Oh, hey, Sam. Liza, my fiance.
Hi. Liza, hey. We're getting married here tomorrow.
Yeah, we just, literally got inspired. You saw the brides walk around.
Yeah. Those are models. There's a wedding convention in the hotel. Should make the preparations that much easier. It's also going to be cool going away party. Where's Cole going? Oh, I'm not a real fan of the whole day.
Let Nana help you.
Great.
Kayla. Let Nana help you. Just put some spaghetti on the fork for you. Oh, I'm sorry. But put some spaghetti on it. All right, use your hands. Mmm.
Roll down to the casino and get me a couple of Christina's cookies. And put it in high, will you?
So what do you know about this corporate shrink who's entering everybody?
That I want to justify his job, which means uncovering all sorts of pathological behavior, even if it's discretionary work.
Well, Linda in housekeeping spoke to him. She was very nice.
Which makes him all the more dangerous. I'm telling you, Mary, it's name, rank, and serial number time.
No.
Your silicone seals emit trace amounts of methyl alcohol.
Well, you can kill the batteries for crying out loud. You can get the same stuff. Enough.
But these windows weren't touched.
Listen, I didn't get anything from Archie Development except for the fact that I'm sure that he has got the balls of the
Mmm, she loves pop-up spaghetti.
Maybe Rosenberg is pulling some kind of insurance.
That's the girl. Use your fork.
Insurance.
Kind of hard though. Yeah. Oh, and there you go. Good girl.
I was a child.
Good girl. Hooray.
I have a Truman Harris sleep at night. I'm keeping her up to the arms of any woman he wants.
No.
I like to do some of my interviews in the workplace just on the fly.
You know that?
Yeah, and so if you keep